Okay, so let's try this one together. We have the path of a soccer ball that we're following that travels a horizontal distance of 150 feet, reaches a height of 100 feet. So you could have your soccer ball start over here and go 150 feet. So it could go from negative 75 to positive 75. It could go from negative 150 to 0. It could go from 0 to positive 150. Lots of different options there. I like to choose 0, 0 as my starting point. So I will start with 0, 0. And then I'll go to 150. Now, how you want to do this is up to you. I'm going to count by 25s. Okay, so 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150. So that puts me there. Now, what I know is that halfway through that path, I will be at 100 feet. So at 75 feet, 25, 50, 75, I'm going to be up at 100 feet. So 25, 50, 75, 100. So this ordered pair is the point 75, 100. That is the vertex for the path of my soccer ball. Now I have two other points on here, 150, 0, and 0, 0. So when we write our equation, remember we're writing the equation into this form. I know what H and K are, and I have 2 points that I could choose to be X and Y. And you could do either one and you would get the same answer. I think that using 0, 0 is just going to make things a little bit easier. So I'm going to plug 0 in for Y, 0 in for X, 75 in for H, and 100 in for K. And now I have an equation that I can solve for A. Because in order to write my equation, I've got to know what A is. I need to know what my stretch factor is. Now you've got a little bit of math to do. Negative 75 squared is 5,625. So now we can solve for A. So let's go ahead and subtract 100 and divide by 5625. Now that's an okay answer, but I would like it to be in simplified as a simplified fraction. So I would go ahead and type it into your calculator. There's negative 100 divided by 5625. And then remember, we talked about how you can press math and then enter twice, and it will reduce that fraction for you. So negative 4 over 225 is what you should get. That's our A value. Now remember, the point here is to write the equation. So we've got to go back and write the equation. We now know what A is, and we know what H and K are. So H was 75. Plus K, which was 100. So this is our equation.